So here we have the Stiga SP100E kit, in which you get two products. You get the pruning shears and you get the pruning saw. Now the pruning shears, got the details down here. It does up to 2,000 cuts on a single charge, which is seems quite extensive. It seems quite good. You got a 30mm diameter cut. You've got carbon steel blades, 3-blade setting, and it only comes in at a weight of 1.26 kilograms with the battery included, which is quite good. So let's take a look inside. The secateurs are a well-balanced piece of kit, and the handsaw is just comfortable. It's the right shape, the right weight, the right balance, and it's just easy to grip and work with. Kits like the Stiga 100E just make life a bit easier in the garden. I'm not saying life should be all easy tasks, but when a task is done quicker and more efficiently, it gives you time to appreciate your garden more. And this, I must admit, cutting through those twigs and boughs is very therapeutic. Would I recommend these? Yes, I would. These e-power batteries really have some guts to them. They last a long while. And I think they can be used in the partner brand, which is Mountfield, I think, as well. I'll have to check that up. But yeah, they last a long time. I mean, if I had a slight peeve, it would be this little mechanism that you have to hold up here when you pull the trigger. That can sometimes, if you're doing a lot of repeated work, on and off, it flips down and then you have to reposition your hand. It's, you know, but then I'm getting really picky, you know. But it can be a bit of a bit of a bind, resetting your fingers in the trigger mechanism. But that aside, as I said, they're both really efficient. The battery life is great. So yes, I'd recommend them.